Entertainment. Apologies for that short transmission we'll just do, but we had to do what we have to do just to bring you the best balanced diet of entertainment. All right, the next bus stop will enter right now. Now, the one where they cook on top of our burner this morning. Just as Uwebi give us introduction, say universities, tertiary institutions for higher learning will start to get free Wi-Fi. Is it a yippee or a nay in this case? Well, they say software like this one, a free Wi-Fi facility, go they made available in Nigerian University from this week to give a boost to the tertiary education for inside the country. Now, the chief marketing officer that on top of software like that, now Olushola Bankole, come outside talk on Sunday. Say this free Wi-Fi go they all campuses for inside the country. In come outside, talk say this one are their own CSR, this one are corporate social responsibility of one of the indigenous 4G operator for inside the country. Now, they say the first university will go chopulate them, where they go use like a experimental pig in this case, and they say the University of Abuja. And they say the service, they go launch them this week. In fact, tomorrow to be precise, will be Wednesday. Now, according to him, in talk say, the usage, say now woof internet, that what me say, is totally free. You know payment, no substitution, no data purchase, no need for modem. Just walk inside the campus or inside Abuja, balance well on top of any of their chair. In fact, it can even be the comfort of the toilet of University of Abuja, and then you go to use this internet free of charge. They say after Uni Abuja, the next university will go chopulate on top of this one, the University of Lagos. And this one, they say, go share like pak. He said this one is a way to give back to the society. He said the whole idea of this project is to ensure, say, future graduates from university across the nation go fit compete with their contemporaries from other countries of the globe. He said this one, that the surest way to be an entrepreneur, or the surest way to be an entrepreneur is to acquire information and communications technology skills. He said this one, now corporate social responsibility, their CSR, where they do from one of the indigenous 4G operators, and that's now why they give free Wi-Fi across all tertiary institutions eventually, starting with Uni Abuja, and of course followed by Unilag. What do you think about this one? You feel it's a good one to get free Wi-Fi for inside the university, or you feel this CSR that they talk, there might be an hidden agenda behind it, or is it a way to crash a lot of devices if you get external hard drive, or a way to crash so many people's laptop in the bid to give free Wi-Fi? How na see am?
You know, me, I'm just wondering, say, with all the problem we dey for our educational sector, now free Wi-Fi be the
No, but it's not done by the government. Oh.
No, this is free.
This is free.
Now company, now decide say their social responsibility.
we need to be careful. Because when it comes to mainstream Wi-Fi giving, it has Colobi, it has ways. But, well, if it's free, I don't see anything bad inside. So far, you, where they use them, you must follow all the guidelines of protection. So that I know it will be like, say, you just release your something, come outside, and anybody can hack into your system. Those are the things that will give problem. So far, it no cost us any money. It no cost government any money. But I know that this country, this our country, nothing is free in free town.
Wow.
By the time when you hear, say this company want to collect something from federal government, so they need to do this, they need to do that, your hand go come do like this.
Or you go blame the company. I don't think there is anybody. America, they enter Nigeria, there must be something they are entering Nigeria for.
Yes,
they
must
enter
be
Iraq, there must be
something.
some antiques that they're actually going
Yeah.
on. So there is nobody where we're actually going to business. Or
Just
that want to
because
do
they
something.
love the
Just because they
people?
love. Yeah, they might love you at first, but they need something in return. But I think my major concern is what's the duration of this Wi-Fi? I know it's not be the issue where education they face for inside Obodo Nigeria.
Exactly.
But at least now
I
the
would
way they
rather
want
this
actually
company
support.
help us to donate computers to our schools, so that a lot of people who know they computer literate can have
Well,
access
you know how
to more
expensive
computer.
that would be.
I just they say that even if they know if you do everybody, the more even Wi-Fi whether they give us is not free.
Can they even get access to it? Because
And you go further say this access that maybe now
The
only
population.
midnight you go they work for the school, because when they give you small portal, maybe the small cake where they give
bandwidth.
everybody is the school. Nobody feel use, and one person don't download one party thing like this.
And I hope it will be
Wi-Fi is
restricted to
off
some
for
kind
the
of
day.
some
To
kind of
some sites,
activities.
yes,
you
to some
understand?
activities you
just
can't
hope say-
access some
My
sites.
question now is how safe is it? Because
Yeah.
now we don't even they get 419. Even
Yeah.
internet banking.
Oh, yes.
Internet
So
banking
many
is even
things.
having issues already. Financial e-fraud, we see for inside this thing,
Yeah.
the way CBN, they talk about e-fraud, they talk about how people, they do mago-mago on top internet to collect a lot of financial information and dupe people. Now, within a country where our internet security is nothing to even write to them about.
Not tight.
If America, waiting for them, they still they get mago-mago on
Wetin
how
we
people they
go
create
do Nigeria for
firewall
us
to get
to-
your information, how much more we? I mean, you say right now, a lot of banks or financial institutions, they encourage youngsters, everybody to go
Yes.
to do transfer to do everything So imagine when people, a certain population as high as 1,000 people are having access to this internet service and they use them, and some of them are using it for their own financial services, and somebody, a hacker, is there gathering all this information together. This is a catastrophe.
Now, wait, you know that I
if you look
remember
at from that
some weeks
angle.
ago, I don't know whether Lucia or we took some tips on how
Yes.
to protect yourself
Yes.
online. Those are the things that we need
Use
to
strong
focus on.
passwords.
If true, they won't give free Wi-Fi. But I know how serviceable is this thing. Because they can promise us something bogus and nobody feel use it.
Yeah.
And yet, maybe they don't, this one way that they do, now to let government focus on them so that they go fit get one or two things. But the people where they get the thing, they know they access them.
They don't have access.
But they don't already chop
Sustainability,
publicity. They
maintenance.
don't chop a lot of visibility,
Yeah, they don't get
a lot of
credits.
noise.
Yeah.
Government if you don't give them contracts, say, this company way good. Well, if you give all our children free Wi-Fi, go they dash them. By the time where government, you don't see, they don't sign agreement with them for 5 years. You know, so these are the things that we
Because apart from that, because I not be a technical person, but I know say the number of people if you actually affect the functionality
course,
of the
that's
Wi-Fi.
Depends on, it
So
depends on the
depends on how
bandwidth,
strong
the
the bandwidth
bandwidth
that
where
they
they don't
give.
decide to give. Now, if they give imagine say the portal they are small as this hole and 50 wire, imagine say 1,000 wire, one pass through this
One
hole.
pass through.
It's going to be quite difficult compared to 50 wire. So it depends on the bandwidth where they give for students at that point in time. And it depends on the setting. Another way where they reduce and to reduce a certain sites where
Yes,
some people
where
go
some
to. If the site has heavy image or heavy download, they fit to block that site. So you know if you go this kind of
Yes.
site.
If
are
they
some
do
of
that
the
one,
things
I know there's
to make
many
sure.
better things there, honestly.
Yeah.
No, if researches in school will make it easy for the children, at least
So
they will
many
fit go
work can be
online,
done.
do some research, do more businesses online. Those ones that are better things.
Legitimate
businesses
online.
where you feel do. And a lot of our people that will not even get access, go feel latch on to learn one or two things online too. So don't be saying it day bad. We are just saying that may they put checks and balances on ground so that the thing will be good for us, no will come turn bad, will come bite us. And me, I defy universal virus. You know this universal virus where they will say enter a entire school and as Luchi talk.
Yeah.
Bust everybody laptop. Exactly we on the new one, make it bust, make everything just scatter.
But really, it's a very good one. I know say it will help us educationally if we use them the right way.
Yes.
And if bad people or bad minds no enter inside, infiltrate this good project where this indigenous 4G operator won't come.
And
inside.
today,
and I
nah,
actually
yeah.
feel, okay. You want to
No,
say
go ahead.
something? And I actually feel say every university for inside within Nigeria because they have a body, right? The board.
But they are doing it one by one.
They should consider no apart from even this SNCSR. Some universities for inside within Nigeria should consider having Wi-Fi for their students.
You know those
It
things
is
cost
needed.
money.
No, I know it costs money, but imagine say you partner with people like
it's
this.
funny you say for Nigeria to get free Wi-Fi is almost like a big deal.
And abroad, it's
if you go
everywhere.
just go shop for so common supermarket,
Can you,
supermarket,
I don't vex.
Rasan,
No, when you say abroad, you're generalizing. Because abroad can be some
America,
international- So
the
which
Europe.
abroad? So what
The
are
United
they?
States of
Are they
America.
developing or developed countries?
Excuse me. Are we not trying to follow them bumper to
No,
bumper?
wait.
We know they
What
copy
are
them. This is
we?
what they do. No, they try to have the other one.
Yes,
outside
but
our
what
country.
are we?
We are developing.
Thank you.
No.
We are developing.
Thank
No,
you.
we have
Those
gone.
are
We're now
developed.
underdeveloped. We have downgraded from developing
You
to
know,
underdeveloped.
Japan now, I
That's
should
even
say,
worse.
if we
Yes,
go
we should
somewhere
compare
like,
ourselves with Obodo abroad.
We should,
we go
because
somewhere
of
like
America, because it's not every abroad that is abroad.
yeah,
Kotonou
if we
is
go
not
somewhere like China, and we see they talk Wi-Fi, they look us like,
As in,
are you kidding me? When they are already moving into robotic technology,
Well-
we will see they talk Wi-Fi. When she say, I know they to see you, we say, really?
Anyway, Lolo, today is a make happiness or make happiness happen to you day. And in
Yeah.
that happy mood, we need to remember, say, one of our colleagues for Insiders. He's always an in-house analyst with us.
Yeah.
Today, night birthday, we get Ben Akede.
Bernard Akede.
Today is his birthday. In the
Happy
building.
birthday,
Bernard.
darling.
Yes, that's
Yes,
our-
he go join us tomorrow for international
International
stories.
stories, yes, tomorrow.
And
so,
we'll
of
get
course,
our
we'll be
cake
expecting
with
my
that.
cake because you have to go and collect it from him.
Why me?
Yeah, because now you always.
You're very close
But
to
I actually love you, Bernard. I love your intellectual capabilities. I love the
Okay,
fact
let
that you
Mommy
did
Jill
deliver
keep going.
with so much enthusiasm, with so much articulation. Thank you so much for always being at attention. Every time we will call you on Top of the Morning Show with your level of intellect.
Okay, can we all have our moment?
Yeah.
And packaging
And the
too.
packaging.
And the packaging too.
packaging.
No,
Yeah,
when we talk
packaging.
about package, we talk about
Oh,
his
who
dressing.
asked you about explanation?
He dresses very well. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why it packages
Happy
well.
birthday to you,
Happy
Bernard.
birthday
Please
to
follow him on top
Bernard.
Instagram and wish him well, Bernard
At
Akede.
Bernard Akede.
Very, very easy. Follow him. Please wish him well because he's very, very loved by
packaged.
us. He's loved by us, yeah. It's happy day.
All right, you're good.
All right,
Happy
next
day. Happy day. Thank God. It's my happy day. Oh, I dab to happiness.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.